Hey guys, what's happening? It's Power Mandrel here, and being Jibanjali is a part-time job. Yeah, I'm from the Mandrel community, and there's newfound love for concept art and digital art in general in the Mandrel community. We guys are growing so much. And yeah, concept art. I want to talk about concept art today. What is concept art? What is concept art, Mr. Jibanjali? What is the big deal about that? That's the piece of shit thing you're talking about for a long time. It's everywhere, which you want to be a concept artist and all that. Okay, people. I'm gonna tell you exactly what concept art is. Concept art is the art of presenting ideas. Yes, that's what concept art is, and it's specifically for, um, you know, in-game assets, assets of maybe video games um, or movies or comics or whatever. It's just basically presenting of your ideas, concepts, building and presenting concepts or ideas. That's what concept art is. And right now, yeah, concept being a concept artist is huge. Is awesome. It's one of the best things you could ever be in a video game. Being a part of a video game company or video game team, it's one of the best parts you could be. Because you gotta influence the design of the characters, the environment, and everything from the beginning of the game design. Um, so concept artists play a huge role in the making of a video game. Uh, it's what everyone in the U.S. desires to be. Seriously. So it's hard. It's really hard to be a concept artist these days. But unless you keep posting on your social media sites and have a portfolio, a really good portfolio, and you need to keep posting on portfolio websites like ArtStation and DeviantArt, where artists would actually take notice of you, and you can send those links to developers. And huge companies require experience, maybe 2 years of experience or something for becoming junior concept artists or even senior concept artists and all that. But usually that stuff all depends on your portfolio. And if you don't have that kind of experience, send those links anyways. If you're good enough, and if you have the vacancy available, you might even get taken over there. All right, this is something I've learned after I researched about this. I've been researching about being a concept artist from when I was 12 years old. Yeah. I really love making video game characters. I love playing video games and then trying to make them better. I used to after playing video games, I used to just take a drawing book and just make no characters for that game. And that's what got me into thinking, why don't I take this as a job? This is the only thing I'm good at. I used to fail in all my classes. I was never good at studies. I was never good at getting girls. I was never good at anything apart from drawing characters. Being stupid. That's what I was good at. So I want to make a living out of it, and this is part of that. Being a concept artist is the best way to make a living out of being stupid. Nobody actually thinks you're stupid. Your ideas are all genius. And the first step you have to take to become a concept artist is to actually embrace your ideas. Any idea, any sort of idea you have, jot that down on a paper. Doesn't matter what kind of an idea it is, just jot it down and start trying to, bring it to life. Maybe draw it, and stuff like that. And yeah, this character you're seeing me do here is I want to put him in some video game, for most probably, but his design is not yet done. This is like the uh, first drawing, first design of this character, and he's not yet ready. You can see concept artists, I'm making this character, so the aim is to make an evil warrior character. Okay, he looks evil. He looks like a warrior. Okay, that part is done. So now I can just give this. No, no, stop there. It's not done. There's this huge thing about being a concept artist that most people often overlook, and that is storytelling. You need to tell story with your art, with your concept. I can see me paint this belt right now, and this belt might be a symbol of this guy's tribe. That's a story element in there. That skull might be the symbol of that tribe. That's a story element right there. And he has this horns like a crown growing out of his forehead. That's a story element. That may actually make him the leader. Maybe this tribe has these kind of guys who are chosen by their god deity who appoints them to be leaders, and a crown automatically grows out of their foreheads instead of making an artificial one. And that's a story element you got right there. The skull face. Maybe this guy is, a resurrected version of the dead guy. And so stuff like that. You gotta add story elements inside a concept. That's what being a concept artist is all about. And that's what I've learned at least. And if, you know, I don't think it's a huge thing to do. I mean, once you've seen a lot of characters, you can just add on elements into your character from various different characters. Just play with them a bit. You got your own stories, man. It's not that hard to bring up a story, but it's not easy as well. But um, I might I might be doing a part two of this one where I color this guy. This video has gone officially long enough. And yeah, if you guys have any suggestions, maybe a question about stuff like this, I might dig into it and try to bring up stuff. The best part of my channel is that it's fresh, and you guys can participate in building this channel up and give me suggestions. So somebody told me I had to add music to my videos, and sure, I would do it. I will do it. And some other guys told me some tips on how to make my stupid drawings better. And yes, I've tried to implement them in this one as well. So I'm open to suggestions, and I would like to I'm really burned out these days, so I really want to know what I'm supposed to draw. What do I need to draw? What do you guys want to see me draw? Maybe I could draw something for you guys that you tell me to draw. And if you want to see a part two of this video, where I color that guy and tell you some more about him, a story maybe, and give him a name or something. If you guys want me to do that, comment below, and I'll see you on the next video. And about the audio stuff, I'm working on it, guys. I'll make it much better. Don't worry. We're just getting started. And the watermark, I'm bankrupt. So I'll see you next time, and I'll catch you later. Bye.